What up, boys and girls? Forgot to say the girls. Nice to see you back on my channel. It's Michael Root, the new entrepreneur influencer in this motherfucker. What's going on, baby? And if you're wondering why I have no shirt on, maybe you should ask Gary Vee or Ty Lopez or Grant Cardone why they always wear a shirt, guys. Maybe I like to be different. Maybe I like my body. Maybe they don't. Maybe I'm just trying to get attention. Who cares? But hey, guys, today we're going to talk about how to get rich. You guys want to learn how to get rich? You guys want to learn how to make 10,000 bucks a month? Well, you need to learn how to do this if you want to start making 10,000 bucks a month. You need to get a what? What do you need to get if you want to make 10,000 bucks a month? You need to get a, who can guess it? Who can guess it before they see it? You need to get a mentor, okay? We're going to talk about the importance of a motherfucking mentor today. Getting a mentor. Look, I'm going to tell you guys a story. Now, if you like bacon, raise your hand and say, I like bacon. I like bacon. Good. All of you like bacon. Listen, I'm going to tell you a story. My grandpa, every morning he cooks me eggs and bacon, or he used to, for about 2 years straight. He cooked me eggs, and he cooked me my bacon, and he put a little fruit on the side and a little bit of oatmeal, okay? So I appreciate him for that. So every morning I would watch my grandpa, I would kind of watch him make my eggs, make my bacon, and I would watch him and, I would think nothing of it. And then he would place the food in front of, in front of my face and I'd eat it. Well, my grandpa, he wasn't there one day. He wasn't there to cook my breakfast one day. He had to get up early and run an errand. I think he had to go to the hospital, matter of fact, because he was getting knee surgery. So I'm like, okay, well, he's not here. I can do it. I've watched him. He's told me how to do it. He's verbally told me how to do it, right? I think I can do it. So what do? I go in the cabinet. I get my eggs out, get my bacon out. Okay, I'm cooking up my eggs. My eggs come out shitty. I'm like, okay, maybe I can do a better job with the bacon. I try to cook the bacon, and it comes out not even half as good as what my grandpa makes it, right? So in this story, who's the mentor? Me and my grandpa. So my grandpa, the guy that's cooking me the eggs and bacon, and by the way, this bacon, guys, is not just any regular bacon. This bacon is brown sugar bacon. It's flat brown sugar bacon. It's the best bacon that you've ever tasted, okay? So I told him, he comes back that afternoon, I'm like, man, I don't know how you make that bacon and how you make your eggs so good because I tried to make it and it tasted like shit, okay? So where are we at? So my grandpa has verbally told me he's verbally told me how to make these eggs and bacon 100 times. He says, do this, do that, and I'm kind of like, okay, yeah. So I asked him, I said, hey, Grandpa, how do you make that bacon and eggs? I know you've told me 100 times, but I still don't know how to make it. And you know what he says? He says, let me show you how to make it. So he says, my mentor says, let me show you. Let me show you. So my grandpa, the next morning, I wake up with my grandpa, and he's showing me. He's like, listen, this is what you do. You get your eggs, you put a little bit of oil so the eggs don't stick to the pan. I said, no shit, I put the eggs right in there, man. And all my eggs, they stuck to the pan. And when I tried to take them out, they were sticking to the spatula in the pan. He's like, yeah, well, you got to spray the pan. You got to grease it up, so that the eggs don't stick, I was like, okay, I didn't know that. Now I know. He's like, yeah, come over and do it. You're going to spray the pan. So I spray the pan. Spray the pan, get the eggs on, boom, boom, boom. They're cooking good. He's like, okay, with the bacon, here's what you're going to do. You lay the bacon down, and then you put a pan on top of it to keep it flat, okay? And then you turn the pan on medium. You don't want to turn on high because you'll burn the bacon. So come over here and turn the burner on medium, okay? Turn it on medium, put the pan on. And then he's like, well, every 5 minutes, you got to take the pan off. You got to wipe the grease off so your bacon's not really greasy. Then you put the pan back on to keep it flat. Okay, I'll do that. He says, all right, so I wipe the pan off, put it back on. Okay, take the eggs off. The eggs are good. The bacon's cooking. And then he's like, well, what'd you put on the bacon when you cooked it? I was like, well, I put on cinnamon. That's what I always thought you put on there, cinnamon. He laughs at me. He said, who the hell would put cinnamon on bacon? Come on, man. It's brown sugar. I take the brown sugar out of there. He showed me where the brown sugar's at. He says, okay, sprinkle a little bit on here. And the reason why you put the pan on the bacon for when it's cooking is to keep the bacon flat, so when you put the brown sugar on, it won't go all over and it'll stay on your bacon. Sure enough, we do that, and then we turn the pan off, we let the bacon cook, and sure enough, I have a perfect breakfast sitting in front of me. A perfect breakfast. So guys, why was I not able to make the breakfast myself when he told me how to do it several times? It's because people learn by actually doing. People learn, this is a huge thing you guys need to understand. People learn by doing, okay? People learn by doing, okay? Doing the actual action and being taught by the person that actually knows how to do it, okay? The mentor is going to teach you how to do it, and then you're going to put the mentor's guidelines and rules into place, and then you're going to do it yourself by experience, okay? The mentor will show you the secret formula. The mentor will show you exactly how to do what you're trying to do. All you have to do is do what the mentor says and put it into action. All you have to do is do it, okay? So what's the first step on making 10,000 bucks a month? Or make it simpler. What's the first step to making a perfect breakfast? Okay? It's to find somebody that's already knows how to make that perfect breakfast. Don't you understand? He knows the steps. He knows the system. So once I do that system, I'm going to tell you, once I did that system, guess what? My grandpa left 3 to 4 times because he had to go to the hospital for his knee surgery, right? He was gone 3 or 4 mornings out of the next month. And guess what? I was able to cook the perfect breakfast, the perfect bacon and eggs for myself every single time. And guess what? When he got back and he couldn't cook his own breakfast, guess who was cooking the perfect bacon and eggs? The perfect brown sugar bacon and eggs? Me. By doing the process that my mentor, aka my grandpa, had showed me, I was able to, after one time of doing it, memorize it, and forever on, I'm always going to know how to make that perfect brown sugar bacon and eggs. Okay, guys? So, if you guys want to make 10,000 bucks a month, you guys must find somebody that's already done it more than once, and is willing to teach you the steps to do it. As you guys know in the last video, I told you guys how I scaled my webcam business from 0 to 10,000 bucks a month, over 10,000 bucks a month. I made up to 20,000 bucks a month with it. And then I scaled a weed business from absolutely 0 to over 8,000 bucks a month. I've done it twice. And then, to top off the cake, we talked about yesterday, I raised over $1.1 million and was able to scale that crypto business to 10,000 bucks a month, more than that in the 3 to 4 months that we had it open. Okay, guys? So, the importance in a mentor. Find somebody that's doing what you're already doing, learn from that person, copy that person, and then you too will be doing exactly what that mentor or that person is doing, and then you yourself will become the mentor, guys, okay? Learn from somebody that's done it. Don't learn from all these motherfuckers that are just teaching you guys, okay? I really build businesses, and I'm really going to teach you how to build your own online business, guys. Because if you're looking to buy a physical location, I'm going to let you know right now, I've been an entrepreneur for the last 5 years. I know how to get clients off social media. I know how to build a brand, build a community. Guys, I see the biggest mistake new entrepreneurs are making in today's game. They're looking for physical products in a physical location to start their business, and they're looking to go borrow money. Guys, if you're looking at having a physical location or even having physical products in today's world, you are already so far behind, and you're going to lose your ass off, guys. Okay, so I want to be your mentor. Let me be your mentor. Let me save you the time. Let me save you the 4 years that it took me. Let me save you the $50,000 that I wasted on testing, okay? Let me show you the humiliation that I got from my friends. My fucking marker cap just went over there. I don't care. My friends made fun of me for years. Oh, you're never going to be successful. Why you keep failing? Let me save you that hardship. Let me save you the stress of having to go through all these little minute, frustrating steps. I want to be your mentor. I want to take you right to the goal that you want to get to. And I want to make it a short amount of time for you to get there, okay? It took me 3 years to get my first successful $10,000 a month business. I want it to take you 1 year. Let me be your mentor. It's Micah Root, the new entrepreneur influencer, guys. And if you think I'm a swell guy, go ahead and hit that link in my bio and check out my book. Get your version of my book right now on Amazon. I authored it myself, published it myself. Self-made entrepreneur influencer of 2019. Let's get it, guys. Thank you so much.